Hello, fan collectors. This is a CEC ceiling fan in my friend Nate's family room, and it has 3 lights, and it has no pull chains, but I can be able to turn this pull chain on, and all 3 lights are on, and I'll turn this pull chain on. It has 5 blades, they're cane, and it gives a lot of cool air, and this fan is probably original to the house. It's just like that one, and it is antique brass, and I like this fan. And I can tell it's a CEC because I've seen fans like these before branded CEC. And I'll talk to you later, fan collectors. Bye.